Hey guys, I'm thinking of what to do. It's morning, it's a new day. I'm thinking I'm gonna do a smoothie for myself and my son. Let's go. It's a blend of showered fruit. Let's go.
So this is my avocado. Alright, but banana is added. So grape has been added. So pineapple has been added. Added a bit of sliced carrot. English pear has been added. Added a bit of green, which is cucumber, just to give it a different feel this time around.
So, yeah, now I have a blend of all of the fruits. So we have from carrots to grapes to pineapple to banana to cucumber to English pear. And what I'll be doing, I want to do 3 flavors to be able to differentiate the taste. So I want to have an organic taste. I want to have a taste with milkshake, with vanilla, and I'm going to have a taste with just milk. Okay, it's gonna be tasty. Wait for it.
That's blended, and I dropped a bit of ice, to just give it that feel. So this is gonna be the organic one.
All right, so I'm done with the main, which is just the raw and organic taste. So this is it, iced up, and I'm gonna take a bit.
For me right now, man, this is yummy. Good. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take it back and I'm gonna add the milkshake. Look at my boy there.
All right, I just remember, since I'm doing 3 specimen, I'm also gonna take some of the raw one that I'm gonna do with just the milk. All right, so this is the one I'm gonna do with the milk. And this remaining one, I'm just gonna add the milk. I'm gonna add the milkshake right now. Let's see how it tastes.
Alright, milkshake added, and that's with a flavor of vanilla. I'm gonna close it up right now, and we're gonna. I think it's gonna be beautiful.
All right, so I've been able to empty back this organic one. I put it back into the blender, and I've added a bit of, now I'm doing just milk. Okay, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful, so let's
Let's go blend it out. Excuse me? What? You think I'm done? I'm done.
So now I've got all my smoothies. So this is the last batch, and this is just the one with milk. So let's put it here right now. I know you guys are just wondering if you can actually feel the taste. All right, so what do you notice? Give me on the comment. Oh, I believe I can taste the banana, the English pear, a bit of the carrot, the pineapple. Wow, everything, the cucumber. Somehow the little cucumber I put in found its way out. Look at the beauty. So I'm gonna enjoy the raw. I'm gonna enjoy the one with the milkshake, and I'm just gonna do pure milk.
Fruit is good. It's like they say, one apple takes you away from the doctor. But right about now, a blend of fruits. Now the taste is the difference. So what I'm gonna do, this I'm gonna take right now, and I'm gonna ice it out. What? I'm gonna ice it out. Okay. Now let's open up, because it's far better, right, when you have it iced. And I'm gonna do the same for one of these. Okay, so they're gonna be iced. When it gets cold and even iced, it brings a different feel. So what I'm gonna do right now is see this other ones, I am going to go enjoy with my son. It's something I do for him every day. He's growing up with Smoothy, a lot of fruits. Alright, and it wants to enjoy with him. Let's go.
Okay, so I've made my morning tea. So I'm taking tea, it's a mix of latte with some cream. All right, that's my own tea for the morning, but I had to just give you guys a blend, so this is what my son is going to be taking right now. He loves it a lot. Guys, watch. What do you think?
That is his own smoothie. He loves it a lot. And we're just gonna enjoy this combo. Daddy takes tea, baby takes smoothie. I believe we're gonna on this thing and watch some movie. Smoothie, movie. That's some good rice. Let's go. Hope you love it. Bye bye.
Dad, mom. All right.
Dad.
Mom. Okay, so that's us flexing. I'm taking my tea and I'm gonna be doing some what? Wifey just added that homemade concussion rice with my tea while my son is flexing this right now. And he's saying, Dad, Mom. Dad, Mom. It's good to just have time for a family. It's all about liberation. Mom, Dad, Mom.